track's in good condition. It's a little dusty out here, but you know, you can't complain about the track condition. You know, you come out here on the weekend, you got to get it done. You know, every day, the track conditions change every lap. Check this out. You got some dust, getting in some good clips.
Alabama weather. It's supposed to rain at about 30.